to hypermarket. Yes, we need to buy some foods. Yeah, big rain already started.
So Mr. Lion Drive right now.
So many people maybe in hypermarket.
Maybe not.
Oh, already so many cars go inside the parking place. Now it's not big rain, but start soon big rain and storm with strong wind. So we will show to our subscribers what kind of foods we will buy right now. Always what kind of foods we bought in the hypermarket. Because one of subscriber asking about
What I always eat.
yes.
Why I
Yes.
always like.
No, we will show. We will show now.
Even I'm thin, but why I'm always eat.
It's free parking in hypermarket. What you want to eat now? First? No, better we can buy because so many people in cashier. We can buy first. It's important for you, yes? Shara. We cut potato chips. Potato is not potato, it's chemical.
Ah. I like this one.
No, yes. Kilo is okay. Kilo 44 peso. This is 44, this is 42 with chocolate.
This one.
I don't know what is this.
I don't know. We buy this one.
Ah, we bought this one. Butterscotch. No, it's okay.
But chocolate.
Butterscotch 72 peso.
Okay, also
No, no,
no
no. I don't want chocolate. So many chocolate is not good. Okay, go straight. Lexus. Lexus. I like Lexus, but I like use Lexus car. Lexus chocolate 79 peso. Here. No. This is also good. 149 peso. It's for me. I like also oatmeal, but don't have big pack. No, it's not the same. I want big pack, but don't have. Also is good, but little bit expensive for 227 grams and 179 peso. I think it's little bit expensive.
What is one? What?
No, I don't
can
want.
try
It's
this
chocolate. We already tried before.
We not try it, Leon.
Okay, let's go. Another. No, also this chocolate vanilla tiger. Tiger 67.
It's better for you.
Yes, 67 peso. No more, not need more cookies. It's enough cookies. Okay, let's go because need also buy for cat. 2 cats waiting, Shaira. They know we already going to hypermarket. They waiting. Cat foods here. Yes, it's okay. 1 kilogram. 1 and 2 kilograms. Shaira, rice need.
Pinadaming, right?
I not remember where. Maybe this one. I remember this. Premium rice?
53. Because it's 300 already there.
No, okay. Okay. 5 kilograms, yes. SM bonus. 5 kilograms. 253 peso price.
You have oil, right?
Oil, I already bought oil.
Cola.
Cola is not good. You drink cola always in the work. It's so many cola not good for you. You want
What do you want? These noodles or not?
Shaira, you choose for you. No, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is also mac and cheese. 23 peso. Mac and cheese. Okay. Six. Mac and cheese. What is this? What name? Chicken. Sotan. No, you say please.
Sotanghon.
Satangon. Yes. How much is Satangon?
22.
22.
I can I use this one. I eat this one for morning.
Morning you like it's your breakfast, yes? In the morning.
Bulalo.
Bulalo have maybe. Take a look. What bulalo? This is bulalo. 30 peso. What is spicy bulalo? Spicy. Spicy is not good. Enough? Not enough? No, you can take more. Bulalo. You can soup, bulalo. Spicy in the down, yes?
Spicy in the top.
Also spicy. Ah, yes, spicy. Ah, this is not spicy. This is not spicy. Shaira like bulalo soup. Here in hypermarket need always use face mask. Some of subscriber asking why you use face mask. But if we not use face mask, we cannot go inside the hypermarket. That's why we need to use face mask always. Because staff also take a look. We use face mask or not use face mask. Right side. Turn right side, Shaira, right. Yes. And go straight 5 meters.
Your destination is
Stop already, yes.
You arrived in your destination, sir.
This is oatmeal. I will take camera. Yes. This is my breakfast. My breakfast 104 peso. No, it's milk, I don't want milk. I eat breakfast with banana and honey. Also I put prunes also. I put prunes, it's good. Maybe 3 pieces is okay. What you choose, Shaira?
For baby.
Ah, you buy for baby, yes? 23 peso. It's 4 pieces. It's baby, it's her young sister baby. Fruits, vegetable here. Papaya very small. 37 peso. Yes, we have already in home.
Same only last night.
Yes, same. No, not sweet. It's not good. How much guayabana? It's half kilo. Half kilo, 51 peso. Yes, half kilo. Not ripe.
Not ripe yet.
Yes. Need to wait. No, grapes we already bought before. Apple. I will take a look. Apple. How much? I will show. I know of course price. This price. Apple. Mandarin price. This is price is half kilo, same like in China. It's not 1 kilo, it's half kilo only. So many people right now to Kashir. I will take water, okay? You just wait me, I will take water, okay? Pasta, there's so many people in the front. I think it's 10 minutes minimum.
Not 10 minutes.
Okay. I forgot to take water. I will take water. 10 liters. 10 liters water. Because every day I drink 3 liters, that's why I need so many water. This is price. No, 75 peso before. 75.
Galon. Ayun, putahin sa fish eh.
I told you, so many need wait.
Or better I buy some food.
Okay,
What you want to eat?
same, same.
Rice bowl?
No, but I want to show how we buy and how much. No, it's okay. You can go to order, okay? Also, we go into another market.
$2,360. Savings are correct.
Savings, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Heavy. Okay, I will help you. Okay.
Ayun.
You need to use brake. Shaira, better me. You choose. I will take video. You say to camera, this is regular buy here. I use camera, it's okay?
Okay.
Not problem. Because Shaira in YouTube right now. No, if you don't want, I can remove cap if you want.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. electric bicycle. Only 20,000 peso. Very cheap. Everywhere 50% discount right now. 50. Aircon 5,000 only. Before 10. Oh, it's good tent, big. I don't know where folding chair. Let's see where. It's me, how I use camera, you can see. I put here. Excuse me. Do you know where folding chair for camping?
For now, sir, we don't have for
Don't have right now. Okay, thank you. Don't have. No, it's okay. Have another shop. Exit. Don't have folding chair. No, it's okay. I will find another. Oh, big rain right now. Umbrella, you take umbrella. Face mask remove. No, you can say.
Thank you for watching, and then it's big rain already here.
Oh, okay, I will say. Guys, thank you for watching. Today we show only what we usually bought in hypermarket. So this is car, and our car little bit park and have rain, but Shira have this umbrella and we use umbrella. No, it's okay, even with wet, it's not problem. It's not snow, it's only rain. Okay, Shira, let's go faster. not need umbrella inside. Okay. No, if you help me, we can faster. Okay, cart put in the another side, Shara. Another, no, okay, okay. What happened? You cannot open door?
Wait.
Wait. Okay, let's go, let's go. Shira fast asleep already in the car. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video help to someone who won't go to Philippines and know price, how much in hypermarket in the Philippines.